Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You already have a Microsoft 365 account and OneDrive enabled, so start by choosing the folder or file you want to share. Right-click it in OneDrive web or app and select Share. This is faster than moving files. Once done, pick Permission, View, or Edit, because editing grants collaboration while View keeps originals intact. Next, enter specific recipient emails or a security group. Make sure to disable link sharing if you want controlled access. Confirm and send the invite. After sending the invite, return to link settings to harden access. Choose anyone for broad links or specific people for tight control. People in organization limits to internal users. Once chosen, set an expiration date or password when required so links don't remain open indefinitely. If you need a shared team space, create a SharePoint shared library and sync it with OneDrive. This gives version history and centralized management. Make sure to check edit restrictions to prevent unwanted changes. Finish by confirming recipients accepted the invite and can open or sync the shared item. Ask them to test editing if applicable. Use OneDrive's version history to restore accidental changes and explain that syncing uses the OneDrive client for offline work. If someone cannot access the file, first recheck you use the correct email and that the link type allows that user, then confirm permissions in the share dialog and try regenerating the link. If problems persist, have them clear cache or re-sign into OneDrive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.